Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Geek. Today we have with us two mics from JBL Commercial, and they are the CSL-M20 lavalier mic with earphone and the CSL-M20B, which is a battery powered lavalier mic. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you how they perform. So let's unbox the CSL-M20 lavalier mic with the earphone. CSL-M20 is a budget mic from JBL Commercial. This mic is available on JBL Commercial brand store on Amazon for just Rs 999. So in the front of the box we have the model number on the top, and here is a picture of the mic. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So in the box you get the user guide, and here we have the carrying pouch, which is really good. And inside it we have the mic itself. You also get an extra tie clip and the windshield for the mic. And in the box you also get this 3.5mm TRS adapter. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the mic closely. JBL Commercial CSL-M20 is a lapel mic with the earphone. It's an omnidirectional mic with the earphones, and basically you can use this to record your YouTube content or make an Instagram video. And because of the earphone, it's an ideal mic for work from home professionals, as it can be used for video and conference calls. This mic is compatible with most of the smartphones, laptops and PC. The mic is lightweight and the in-ear earphone is also very comfortable. The cable quality is also good and the length of the cable is 2 meters. Overall, for the price, I really like it, and to be honest, I'll be using this mic a lot for my video conferencing calls. And if you're thinking about the audio clarity and performance, here is a quick audio test from this mic. This is the audio recording test from the JBL Commercial CSL-M20. I hope you can hear me loud and clear. This is the lapel mic which comes with the earphone, and the price of this mic is Rs 999. So JBL Commercial CSL-M20 is a very good product which offers good speech clarity, and it's also easy to use. It's lightweight and it's a very good product, especially if you're a content creator. Now moving towards the next mic, here we have the JBL Commercial CSL-M20B. Now the main difference is that this one is the battery powered lavalier microphone. About the unboxing experience, in the box you get the carrying pouch, and inside it we have the mic itself. And apart from that, you get a LR44 battery, tie clip, windshield for the mic, and also a 6.3mm adapter. Looking at the mic, the JBL Commercial CSL-M20B is a battery powered lavalier mic with 3.5mm TRS jack. This mic is perfect for recording and vlogging as well. The mic can capture 360 degrees omnidirectional audio, and it is compatible with smartphones, tablets and most of the DSLR cameras. And you can also use this mic with mixer amplifiers. In this mic you get this controller unit here, and you need to insert the battery which you get in the carrying pouch. And then you can turn it on to use this mic with the DSLR cameras. The quality of the cable is also very good, and the length of the cable is 6 meters. And now about the audio quality, here is a short audio clip recorded from this mic. This is the audio recording test from the JBL Commercial CSL-M20B. I hope you can hear me loud and clear. This is the lapel mic with the battery and can be used with laptop, smartphones and DSLR cameras. And as you can hear, the mic clarity is decent, which is expected in this price range. This mic is also available on Amazon for just Rs 999. Overall, both the mics from JBL Commercial are value for money. The quality is decent, and if you're a budding content creator or a working professional and looking for a mic which can offer you good clarity and doesn't cost a bomb, then definitely check out both these mics from JBL Commercial. And as usual, if you like them and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the JBL Commercial mics. Let us know if you like them, and also if you have any questions about these mics, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.